side floor pan out up to that seam, and then I also took the toe board out because this area I'm guessing was probably all the, I think the heater core probably dumped over there and sat, so it was absolutely, let's see, where is it? It's just coming apart and falling apart. Something for me, you can see there, spot welds, they alternate there all the way down, and then there's some over there, so I need to remember to put those back in when I put the toe board. There's a toe board piece and then a front floor pan that goes over the top of it, and then that is the front torque box. So I'll clean that up and get it done. Here's where we are. I've got some short strand fiberglass that I'm going to put on here at some point, but that floor pan is done. You can see I bought some new red oxide, just testing it out, seeing how the color matches. It's pretty good, but the eventual plan for this floor is, once I get it all the floor plans done and fiberglassed, short strand fiberglass on it, I will put basically, it's called rust bullet, an entire coating in here to cover everything, and then of course I'm going to do sound deadening over the top of that, so all that will be covered up. So the color really isn't all that big of a deal. I want to get something over it so that it doesn't start rusting here in Florida, because it starts to get to it quickly. So you can see I've got the front floor pan out and the part of the toe board out that was really rusted. I've cleaned the front part of the torque box up a little bit. I'm getting ready. I'll shoot that with some spray paint just to make sure that it doesn't rust before I can get the toe board back in. And you can see I've got the toe board piece over here that I'm starting to mark and get ready to I'll trim that down and then get it to fit back in there. So that's where we are. Alright, I'll bring you back when I've got some more progress.